Good afternoon, everybody. It's the 20th of July and we are at the seaside. We've come to one of our favourite stretches of beach. We actually go to Titchwell Marsh Nature Reserve, that's RSPB Nature Reserve, because we can obviously park there for free, being a member, and then it seems about a mile walk down onto the beach, and then you have this beautiful stretch of beach, and usually we walk either way. We go Brancaster or whichever the beach is this way, but as you can see, it's a beautifully sunny day. It's actually quite pleasant. We're sort of like come out of the heat wave for a little bit, and this is lovely, pleasant, warm summer's day, just how we like it. And the sea is calm, and that's also quite warm. Beautiful day.
Take the winding road, I will never be alone. As long as I've got you, we'll scale the heights, up every mountain, like it was yesterday. I feel it every way. Follow me, come and follow me. I'm on hold until the winter. I'm on hold until the last leaf falls. Take the winding road. Follow me, come and follow me. I'm on hold until the winter. I'm on hold until the last leaf falls. Take the winding road, I will never be alone. As long as I've got you, we'll scale the heights, up every mountain, like it was yesterday. I feel it every way. Follow me, come and follow me. I'm on hold until the winter. I'm on hold until the last leaf falls. Take the winding road. I will never be alone. follow me. I'm on hold until the winter. I'm on hold until the last leaf falls. Let go of what's been keeping you. Come and follow me. Come and follow me. I'm on hold until the winter. I'm on hold until the last leaf falls.
It's a beautiful day today. I think the tide is actually going out now. Which is better because this part of the coastline you have to be extra careful, because when the tide comes in it doesn't always just come straight in, it comes in and around. And sometimes what you can't see is, like I know for a fact, there is a real big estuary type bit that goes in and beyond the dunes here. And also over to that way there, there's usually a lot of seals as well. So Robert's just seen a big jellyfish. Another reason why I don't like swimming in the sea. So a little while ago, Robert said that he saw a jellyfish, and I weren't 100% sure whether he did or not, but I can confirm that he did see a jellyfish, and here it is. Shadows on it. Here we go. That is a big jellyfish. Put your foot there, Robert, so we can see how big it is. Yeah, put now on it. Put your foot near it. See, that is a big jellyfish. See, that is one big scary jellyfish. Don't swim in the water. You never know what's swimming with you. Ugh. We have another one. Jellyfish number 2. Oh, it's even bigger. Ugh, look at that one.
Take the winding road. I will never be alone. Let go of what's been keeping you. Come and follow me. Come and follow me. I'm on hold until the winter. I'm on hold until the last leaf falls.
Right, well, we've had our lovely little walk along the beach. Really pleasant. The sea was lovely and warm, and it's usually really blustery when we come here as well. but that wasn't too bad either. Just a nice little cool chill. No, not even a chill, breeze. Breeze is the word I want. Cool breeze, nice little cool breeze. There's not that many people on the beach, but then it's a massive beach, so you could have 100 people on there and it wouldn't seem as though there was many. So we're now going to leave the beach and we're going to head back into the actual nature reserve. So it's Titchwell Marsh, RSPB Nature Reserve. So we're going to have a walk around there, see what butterflies we can see today. There's usually quite a lot of butterflies there. Birds, definitely loads of birds, because there's lots of fresh water, and obviously the sea, the estuaries that go in and around. So, but yeah, so we'll have a look and see what we can see. We're just about finished the walk around the nature reserve. It's a really nice place to come. Today we've seen quite a few butterflies, and if you're really into bird watching, this is definitely the place to come. There's plenty of waterfowl birds and other birds. So it is a great place to come if that's what you like to do, your bird watching. It's also a fairly accessible nature reserve as well. Most of it is boardwalked or hard crushed stone, so it's quite easy to get around. So we're now heading back to the visitor centre and the car park. So we had the best of both worlds today. Beach and nature reserve. Not a bad day out really, is it?
Didn't have an ice cream.
Ooh. Well, if the visitor centre is still open, could perhaps get an ice cream there. So we're now heading back to the visitor centre. Hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed doing it. Could give me a big thumbs up, drop me a comment, and consider subscribing. That would be amazing and would really help the channel out loads. Alright, so again, thanks for watching. Until next time, see you later.